Hi everyone, welcome back to a new session of the AWS. In this session, I will explain you about Amazon Comprehend Services. Whenever we are using with text analytics or any other service analytics, it is always required to have a exact or correct match of synthesis or syntax which we are or statement which we are using in our bot processing or any other application processing which will need a real human being to be presented. So just like if I want to deliver a text which should contain some sentiments or some enthusiasm so that or empathy with the front end user so that they will get to know how or how the user is behaving or how the robot is going to deliver with the opponents or the front end user who wants to have a word with. So that time we always have to get the content should be delivered with natural processing or neutral way. So we'll discuss each and everything in detail and I will show you how we'll use it in AWS login credentials. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with Amazon Comprehend service. So first of all, what is Amazon Comprehend? So Amazon Comprehend uses natural language processing, that is NLP, to extract insight about the content of documents. So just like if we have assigned some task to our bot or robot system, based on the task, robots should capture the data from any specific document and divide or divide the actual content in positive manner or negative manner. So without guiding or without providing any instruction, robot is not possible to deliver this content or define the content is positive or not. For that, Amazon Comprehend process text file in UTF-8 format. It develops insight by recognizing the entities, key phrases, language, sentiments, and other common elements in a document. It uses Amazon Comprehend to create new products based on understanding the structure of documents. So let's take another example like Amazon Comprehend can search social networking feeds for mention of product or scan an entire document repository for key phrases. It will work with one or more documents at a time to evaluate their content and gain insights about them. Some of the insights that Amazon Comprehend develops about a document include entities which will contain Amazon Comprehend returns a list of entities such as people, places, and locations identified in a document. So I will show you where it is exactly located and how we'll use it in real life. Then second is key phrases. So Amazon Comprehend extract key phrases that appear in a document. So for example, if document is containing 4 to 5 pages of data and Amazon or the user wants to extract the key phrases, then they will do it by using Amazon Comprehend services. Third is P2, that is PII. Amazon Comprehend analyze documents to detect personal data that could be used to identify an individual such as address, bank account number or phone number. Fourth is language. So which language the content is delivered or texted or documented, that language will be printed in data. Sentiments, if the content is neutral, positive or negative or mixed type of content, that will print. Syntax, Amazon comprehends parses each word in our document and determines the part of speech for the word. For example, in the sentence, it is raining today in a Seattle. It is identified as a pronoun, running is identified as a verb, and settle is identified as a proper noun. These all will be segregated by using Amazon Comprehend services. It will not require any human being intervention. We can also include our comprehend custom data, the customizing comprehend for our specific requirement without the skill set required to build machine learning based NLP solutions. Using automatic machine learning or AutoML, comprehend custom builds customized NLP models on our behalf using data which we have already used. So let me show you where we can get it, and then we'll discuss about their benefits. After that, I will show you how we can use it really. So go to services and search comprehend. Comprehend. You will get Amazon Comprehend. Click on this Amazon Comprehend and you will direct it to this page where you can see how it works. It is basically captures the data from different social media sites and builds a keyword like sentiments, key phrases, PII, and definitely it will include all the details in every part with required information. So let us understand the features and benefit of using these technologies. So we will get better answers from our text. So Amazon Complement can discover the meaning and relationship in text from customer supports, incidents, product reviews, social media feeds, news articles, documents, and other sources. For example, when we are identify the feature that most often mentioned when customers are happy or unhappy about our products. So just like if I want to extract any application review from Play Store, then our robot will extract it and it will segregate according to key phrases which we have provided. So just like if I provided I'm very sad. So whenever it will found sad, it will definitely categorize that review in negative phrases. Then next example, if we have provided key phrases like I'm very happy to use, wherever there is a happy words, it will mark it as a positive. I'm glad to use this application. Whenever these types of texts are available, it will always giving priority to move that review as a positive feedback. So by this way, it will not require any human intervention to categorize their review in positive and negative phrases. These scenarios are almost covered for every social media sites, even on the e-commerce website as well. So whenever you can see the ratings, so that ratings is not at all divided by individuals. It is always divided by the artificial intelligence or ML or by using this type of technologies which is always done by any robot system. Second is identify topics in the collection of text. So Amazon Complement can analyze a collection of documents and other text files such as social media posts and automatically organize them by relevant terms or topics. We can then use the topics to deliver personalized content to our customer or to provide rich search and navigations. Just take an example. If we have extensive collections of news articles, we can automatically group them by subject matter to enable our sites to suggest new articles to visitors based on what they have read previously. Then third is train models on our own data. We can easily extend Amazon Comprehend to identify specific terms such as policy number or part code. We can also extend Comprehend to classify documents and messages in a way that makes sense of our business, like customer support inquiries by request or social media posts by product. Adding these customization requires no machines learning expertise We can simply provide labels and a small set of example for each and a complement take care of rest of the things. So just like if we want to extract customer positive feedback from any social media sites like LinkedIn. So we have to train our robot or text that should be categorized in a positive manner. So just like if someone has given positive feedback on site, I'm happy to use their services, or I'm very much satisfied with specific banks. So that will be categorized in the positive manner. It is very easy to use and set up for our real life. Otherwise, what happens when we are using with ML and artificial intelligence? It is always required to have a good amount of code so that our code will work perfectly and divide our sentiments or feedback of the customer in two parts or three parts. It's totally up to us. Fourth, benefits are extract medical information quickly and accurately. So powered by state-of-the-art machine learning models, Amazon Complement Medical understands accurately identify complex medical information. For example, Amazon Complement Medical can extract methylenic resistant staphylococcus aureus, often repeated as a MRSA, and provide context such as whether a patient has tested positive or negative to make the extracted term meaningfully. There are several use cases that are already used by using uh, Amazon Complement or sentiments by AWS. So, voice of customer analytics, knowledge management and discovery, and semantic search is their use cases. So, let's understand how we'll create it and how to use in real life. So after searching, just have to click on launch Amazon complement. This is a simple term which we can use it for our real life. But if we want to use it for complement medical devices or medical terms, definitely you can use this. So right now we are using launch Amazon complement, where it will navigate to a page where you can see real-time analysis, input text. So this is the input text, or it's already built by. If you want to do that by custom feeds, then you definitely you can select this one. So here you can see some text is already provided. Let's see what all text and how it is divided. After that, we'll insert our own text and see how it works. So you can see here the name of the person is mentioned, company name, then the amount, some amount is mentioned here, date is also there, bank account number, and address is here. Definitely at the end it is provided by a text message here on the contact number and the email ID. So let's see how it works. So entities are basically, this is the entities which is already marked. This is the person entity. Second is organization. Third is others. Fourth is quantity. Fifth is date. Then sixth is other. Then again other. Then this is the location, or you can say the address and the contact details here. So this is divided in the entity segments where you can find each entity detail with the confidence level and categorization as well. So this is automatically done by our AWS comprehend service, or you can see sentiments. So key phrases, you can say that this is the confidence level about the key phrases which is used in this text, and it's already highlighted as well. So confidence level it is showing for each and every key phrases. So language is used here, you can see English, and confidence level is 0.98, so it's almost 100. Then PII2 information is also available and it's already marked. So this is the name, then this is the date time, and details are available with the type detail and confidence level here. Let's see sentiments. So sentiment is neutral, is 0.99 confidence, positive is 0, negative is 0, and mixed is 0. Because it's a neutral content, it is showing here 0.99. Then the syntax. So when you can see the syntax is interjection, hello, zang, pronoun, proper noun. This is the punctuation. Everything is mentioned here, and it's already categorized with the confidence level. So syntax is always containing with each and every word detail. Because of that, it's showing in the pages. So let's add some more example from our side. I've already created one text here, so I'm just entering this text instead of by default contain. Now click on analyze. It will take some time for filling each and every content. So in the entity segment, you can see only two parts is available, serial and in November. So this is the date and this is the location. Let's see key phrases. So key phrases, different key phrases are available with the confidence level. You can see here application integration. So this is the application or API response from the key sentiments. You can see here. Next is language. In which language it's written. You can see it's English and the confidence level is 0.99. Then the P2. There is no detail about the P2. Then sentiments. Let's check the sentiments. So neutral is 0.01 confidence, then positive, then it's a negative statement. Because of that it's 0.98 confidence level, so it's almost 100% with negative phrases. Syntax, you can see that. So every words is having different syntax and confidence level. Let's add one more example here, see if it is working or not. So we're damn sure about the this. So after entering the detail or entering in the input box, click on analyze, and most important part, you are always allowed to search for maximum 5,000 words or 5,000 alphabets in free trial login. But when you will purchase, definitely you are okay to use, or you are okay to use more than that. For next example, you can see here, sorry, for new example, you can see here entities. So there are three entities that are available. One is person, location, and third is also location. You can see the confidence level is 0.99. It means 100. Key phrases, there are various key phrases are available with this. You can see each and everything in detail with confidence level 0.99. Almost everything is 0.99. So confidence level is always indicating how much robot is saying about the accuracy. So whenever they will feel its confidence level is always higher side, definitely it is mentioning near to 100. But whenever it will feel or robot feel we are not okay with, or the robot is not okay to provide the confidence level, always providing near to 1. Key phrases, there is a no language, you can say English. P2, uh, let's see, P2 is John Smith name and confidence level 99. Sentiments, so it's positive statement. Because of that it's showing 0.99 confidence level. It's really good. Syntax, it will contain every syntax in detail. So by this way, we can see that we have covered about Amazon comprehensive services. So let's recap from where we have started and ended in the session. So we started with the Amazon complement services or sentiments. We've learned about their basics, understand with several examples how we can use it in real life and their benefits. And I presented with three examples, one by default provided by the AWS and two with the new example. We have learned each and every thing about their insights in entities, key phrases, language, P2, and sentiments and syntax. So these all we have covered as of now. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.